Okay, you guys, I have a box. Here it is. It has a handbag inside, so we're gonna open it up and look at the handbag. If that sounds absolutely amazing to you, mind-blowing, stick around. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe, like the videos that you enjoy, and I don't remember what else. I totally lost my train of thought there and my little spiel that I do. Whatever. You guys know the drill. All right. Box cutter. Let's cut it open. This is a bag that I already have several of, but this is a color that I have been lusting after, and it's been a hard to find bag, and when I have found it, it's been too expensive, or it's been more than I wanted to pay because I didn't want to pay retail for it. So I finally found it at a very good sale with Neiman Marcus, and I got, I think, 10% cash back that day with Rakuten. If you're not signed up with them, make sure you sign up with them. I have a link below. If you're a new member, you can use that link to get $30 off your first purchase of $30 or more, in addition to earning cash back. They pay the cash back quarterly. I'm about to get a check for $250 because that's how much I have earned back in the last quarter. So it really is worth it if you haven't pulled the trigger on that yet, and especially if you do a lot of online shopping like someone I know. Let's look at the box. This is wrapped well. It does have some paper around it. That's very nice. I am not sure that I'm going to like the color. I know I'll love the bag. I bought something kind of similar to this recently. I'll link that video below, and I was very disappointed with it for a couple of reasons. So I'm hoping that I will like this color. If not, it's going back. I can't tell from the photos online. Most of them look like it's like a deep, rich color. You'll see what I'm talking about. But some of them look like it's a flat color and not very deep and rich. So I think it all depends on the lighting, and I've never seen it in person. So we are going to do that now, and I've never seen any videos on it either. All right. Paper. First glance at it, I'm not impressed, but I won't give up on it just yet. We will take it out of the plastic bag and look at it, and we shall see. Maybe I'll like it better than I think I will, but I already think it's going back. No fun. Okay, here's the bag inside the plastic bag. You got a glimpse. You may be able to tell what it is already, those of you who are religious watchers of my channel. And by the way, when I got this really good deal on this bag, I got it for about half price, I want to say. I posted that deal and all the coupons and the cash back and the ways that I got the deal. I posted that on my community post, so make sure you're following me so you get those, because I post deals all the time and you don't want to miss out if you're into handbags. Okay. Pull this out, and here we are. Wow, it looks great on camera. It does. The lighting that I have, like I said, the lighting really affects this bag, but the lighting really changes how things look in person. Let me get this front piece off, and then we'll look at it a little more closely. And I need to look at it in sunlight, not just this light, because right now this looks fabulous, actually, but I need to see it in not studio lights. Okay, I'm not going to unwrap the whole thing until I decide to keep it. Check the plastic off the front. So this is the Minkoff Edie bag in the larger size. It comes in 2 sizes, and this is in the anthracite color, which is a little difficult to find. Like I said, this is leather. There's also another version that's nylon, and they have a dark silver bag in the nylon as well. You can also notice that this leather has a texture to it. It has kind of a lizard or snake skin sort of texture. The scales do not lift up. It's just imprinted into the leather. It has not black, but very dark, like a dark gunmetal hardware. Very dark, almost black. And that includes on the chain up here. Here's the bottom of the bag. Now, what I like, and I'm looking over here at my monitor, I'm looking at the bag on the monitor to see how it looks in the light. What I like about this in good light is you can see how in some places it looks bright and shiny, and others it looks really dark. and there's like a high contrast, and it's metallic obviously too. What I'm concerned about is in normal lighting, will it look flat? Will you lose that richness and depth? So I'm gonna go take it into the sun for a minute and see how it looks. Okay. I took it into the sun. I took it in lighting the living room, which right now is natural light but softer, and then I took it in the bathroom with the yellow lights, and in all of them it looks really good. It never loses its depth. It never becomes flat like I've seen it in some photographs. I'll try to find a picture and put it here to show you what I'm talking about, where it just looks flat. It just looks like a flat silver instead of having this depth and richness to it. So now I'm happy with it. Good thing I took it out of the plastic and didn't just give up on it right away. I looked at it in the mirror. It looks very nice. Now I'm thinking it's a keeper. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off of the whole thing so you can see it all. All right, I won't go into much depth about the bag because I have several other videos I can link below that show you about this bag, because I have 3 more of them. Yes, I do. This is number 4. I think this will be the last one, at least for a while, but we'll see. I really love the Rebecca Minkoff Edie bag. It's fabulous, and I will link all of those videos below so you can check them out too. So it's a great bag, it's a great size, it's comparable to a few other bags like the YSL Lulu, even Chanel perhaps, as far as size, the shape, the construction, being a flat bag and all that. For those of you who don't know, this clip is not really functional, it's decorative. There's actually a magnetic snap here to open up and see the inside compartments. On the back, there's a magnetic snap giant pocket that takes up the entire back of the bag, which is fabulous. Perfect size for phone and whatnot. And oh, and I will also link the bag itself below if Neiman's still has it or if I can find it anywhere else. It's really beautiful. I love it. The inside, just a quick overview here. Let me take this stuff out. You do get a dust bag with it. Okay, so there are 2 large compartments. When there, there's a zipped pocket in the center here. There's a zipper on the back wall, and there are no other pockets inside. This one has a very dark black interior, so it's difficult to see inside. This would make a fantastic night bag if you're going out for some reason in the evening, which I certainly am not doing right now with COVID, and I hope not many of you are either. There's a tag in here that I haven't been able to get out yet. It has care instructions, and it has the label there. You can see it says it's the anthracite bag, and suggested retail, or actual retail, is $348, and I got it for about half price, I think. I think I got it for about $130 actually. So that would be a little less than half price. But yes, I'm very happy with this. Like I said, I have other videos on this bag. Oh, I was gonna say this. One of the videos that I had was on the same texture, like the snake lizard kind of leather, and it was a different color. It was a really dark brown that in person looked black, but on video it did look the brown that it was. And on that one with that leather, it had these little, if you looked where the leather was folded around the corners, it was as if the scales had kind of lifted, and you could see against that really, really dark brown, you could see this light, almost yellow color. And I didn't find that very attractive. So that's one of the things I was concerned about with on this bag, and there's nothing like that on here. I think this is everything I dreamed it would be. It's fabulous. So I do have a few other unboxings of these bags going into more detail on them if you're interested. I'll link those below. I also have a video comparing this bag with the Tory Burch Kira bag, very similar. And that is that. I'm very happy. I'm happy that I'm not disappointed, because I was prepared to be, clearly, as I gave up on the bag in the first few seconds of seeing it. Yes, it is everything I dreamed it would be. It is indeed. I love it. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me through this very difficult unboxing, very emotional. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you love the bag. Hope you can find one if you want one. I'll try to help with that. Check the description box below. Hope to see you back here next time. Hope you and your loved ones are doing well. And I hope you have a fantastic day. I'm just full of hope today. Bye, guys.